earth seem to run. Praise His name, proclaim His salvation day after day. Declares glory among the nations, His marvelous deed among all peoples. For great is the Lord, and most worthy of praise. He is to be feared above all gods. The Lord of gods and the nations heirs, the glory of the heavens. His